Alright, you want Chicago?
Yes.
Alright, we're still taking indirect, I take it?
I haven't heard any rounds since this one, so say you're good.
The roof? Oh, fuck that, bro.
Tower 1 is taking small arms fire.
Get that way somewhere?
Yeah, if you have any pre-plotted areas that you can engage from. Put your radio on, it's SOG net. OP Rocky is reporting that they can pick up where it's coming from, so you might be able to listen in and hear what they're saying or then you're ready.
Yeah, let's go.
We're gonna die. That's what that is right there. That's fucking hell coming.
Fuck, dude. Here comes another mortar. Fuck. Shit. Hey, they're on that peak on the right, bro. Shit. On the right. Yo, just stay down, Wes. That shit's accurate as fuck. Just stay down. Fuck. Stay down, brother. Stay down.
Coming from the line over here.
God damn. Whoa. Fuck.
alright. That shit's pretty accurate, right? Yeah.
I can't tell.
Sounds like it might be.
All right, that's coming.
From the right.
Hey, that's way right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming right.
Not that far right. Hey, come between the right peak and right here, bro. Like in between. Hey, shift left. Hey, shift left. Farther left. Hey, shift it left. All right. I got more coming your way, Fred. Heads up. All right. So right there. I think it's like right about there. Right about there. Yeah. I like that picture. Way over here, bro.
Not like. From the right.
Yeah, the right. Couple rounds too.
Hey, you guys need to watch your fucking right side. We got one enemy KIA over here.
That's all my ammo.
Hey,
Plus the one I have.
alright, hey. So you've got fucking 4, 5. Plus what?
It's about halfway done.
You got about a fucking 6, 7 units saw. What do you got?
I got 6 AC, and I got like 4
What do you got left? Is what I mean.
Guys moving with weapons. What? 223. That's what they said of guys moving? Yeah. Okay, they're running.
223.
They're setting up right now.
They're setting up right now.
Right now. Hey, we got rounds coming in. Oh, yeah. Hey, we got rounds coming in, sir. What's up? We have rounds coming in. We're good. Hit the rocks. Hey, sir. We're going to bound down. Let's go.
there's two guys. Fucking here. I see them carrying guns.
Yep, it's coming at us. Fuck, man.
What we said it was like 14, 15?
Yeah. You don't see anybody behind the white school?
That's the preferred method for
Extracting fucking dish rounds.
bash it.
A group of people.
I can't say anything about that.
Yeah, I'll tell the boys.
It's Daniel.
Hey, Gwyneth. Hey, pass it. The snipers have eyes on two guys. Break. One seems to have a sniper, semi-automatic weapon that they see them firing. Break. They're going to take the 50 cal and take some shots at them. Over. Roger.
Alright, good.
If guys start to bug out from there, we'll have you. They're watching with the crow right now. They say they're right on.
Fuck it. Shit, fuck it.
already finished somebody off.
Hey, where's that EKA at?
Right there, man. I fucking shot red smoke. And McVeigh was looking at it.
Oh, is that what that smoke was?
Yeah. I thought there was a guy still moving. McVeigh was looking through it. He was like, yeah, man, that guy's dead. Fucking Paul took a look.
I'm gonna go fucking yoke him up right now.
I'll go fuck.
That's like 300 meters, dude.
Well, it's 450 to that fucking.
Yeah, but he's lower than it.
I know.
Yeah, but it's like a drop and then it's like flat rock, man.
I fucking knew those dudes were over there, bro.
Yeah.
You called it too, bro.
Yeah, I
They put
called it
two
for me. I was
OPs,
like,
and then we
Roger
sprayed
that.
them with a fucking bunch of small arms.
Same thing they did to us in Twin Peaks.
Yum kept saying we weren't gonna get hit today.
I don't know, man. I wasn't feeling it.
I called it, man. I knew it.
They're pretty smart. They tried to maneuver on us.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Like they engaged us, had us support by fire, and then slipped around.
The amount of rounds we threw at them.
I'm pretty glad those 240 gunner over there, Gonzo, is actually pretty spot on.
Gonzo's a shit hot gunner, dude.
Yeah.
I could tell you that.
He legit saw muzzle flashes.
He might not be the greatest.
We got our rocks took a couple hits, and then we heard the cracks over.
They were going
They
right
took
over our
some
position.
really
I think we might have taken
there.
the
They're coming.
fire from you guys.
You guys called that ridgeline out. Like we still called right peak, and then
Yeah.
we just shot that whole fucking ridgeline. Fuck it.
Yeah, they were flying
Those
above our
houses.
heads, man, for sure. Yeah, for sure, no doubt about it.
I love those first couple of rounds. Like
It's just like
nothing comes near you, and you're like, wait, are they shooting at us?
That first round, pretty sure it was like right between me and you, like right.
Really?
Like,
Because that
right
first
over
burst,
right here. Yeah.
Dude, the first couple bursts were inaccurate as fuck.
that's what I'm saying. Like the first burst, we're like, are they shooting at us?
Yeah, I was
And then we heard that
confused
fucking
as fuck.
Yeah, we heard
I'm like,
this,
is this
and we're like,
happening
alright.
right now? Or
At first I was like, yeah, because I was doing the same thing, and I was down there and I popped the LRTV up to scan, dude, and like I get the LRTV up, and then I hear this hiss, and I was like, oop, man, I'm going back down.
That is gangster. Yeah.
Go on, drop a couple.
Doc, I'm gonna need you to not talk while I'm recording.
Yeah, you definitely can't say sad face
Thanks for ruining my whole
while serving in the army.
Hawk 55, Dark Knight 46. Oh no. Stay when ready to copy information for shows of force.
Oh, there he is.
there he is. Wow.
Another one coming right here.
Oh, I hear it. Oh! Yes. Yes.
Got it.
There's another one. That was, I think that was an RPG.
That's a good shot.
That looked pretty sweet.
There we go, that's good. We almost did each other.
Yeah.
Cool.
Come on.
Do it, sir.
Yeah, sure.
There's guys walking right now. Yeah, they got an AK or something. There's like 4
It's
guys.
a folding stock AK.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, they got a PKM or something too.
They all have weapons. Yeah.
Hey, Sergeant Stunner.
I've got
They've all got weapons, and there's definitely a RPK up there as well.
4 packs right now. 5 packs.
All right.
Oh my god, dude, I just hit that dude.
Hey, I'm gonna get out. Alright, get out. Alright.
You getting out, bro?
Yeah, I'm getting out with them so I can
Yeah.
their rounds. Right by that rock.
Oh yeah.
There we go. They
Mortars are pushing their shit in.
They're south too far. Up. Up.
There you go.
Up a little bit, dude.
Yep.
Cut hair, probably about a meter.
Motherfucker. Yeah, I get those too. Alright. 1.3 plus my dope on the fuck. Alright, and then yeah.
Nice. Where were you aiming?
There was a rock about that big. It just exploded.
Yeah, I was also you can see the nice little dust ball. Fuck yeah.
Air 6 Romeo, Theater 16, getting ready to shoot.
Yep, there he goes.
Shot.
Someone's do play that.
You guys see anything over here? Oh, that was close. God damn it, those rounds were fucking close, man.
Yeah, they were aiming for us.
Yeah, they were aiming for us.
I wonder if it's
I want to see Sergeant Stoner's Kevlar, dude.
I wonder if it's revenge.
Probably.
I was thinking about that earlier.
There we go. That's where they need to be hidden.
1616, Roger, I see those impacts, over.
If I were Taliban, I'd be gunning for us.
God damn.